we'll first have a walkthrough of our electronic IPCRF tool. So I'm sure for our teachers who are already in the department since the introduction of the RPMS PPST, no, we are already familiar with this electronic IPCRF tool. But let me walk you through again the CIPCRF tool, especially no for our new teachers na hindi pa po nakagamit na itong tool. And first time pa po nila may encounter itong electronic version of our IPCRF. Alright, so kanina po na-discuss ni Ma'am Cecil yung process po natin ng assessment of the classroom observable objectives and then classroom observable objectives. So she also discussed the computation of our rating, our performance rating. But with this electronic IPCRF, all we have to do is to just input our rating, and the electronic tool will automatically compute the performance rating per objective and the overall rating for us. No, so this is part of our goal to lessen the administrative burden of our teachers and our school personnel. No, we would like to maximize the use of technology para naman po maging efficient tayo in our process, and while adhering pa rin po no, to the quality and standard performance. Right, so the first no na gagawin po natin after natin ma-assess na yung mga objectives, ready na tayo to input our rating. The first step that we have to do is to download the electronic IPCRF tool. Okay? So again, i-emphasize po namin yung i-download po natin ang Excel-based IPCRF tool. So earlier po in the presentation of Ma'am Cecil, the last slide provides the QR code and the link to the folder where we can access all our tools. So we have there the PDF versions of our PMES tool for proficient, PMES tool for highly proficient, the COT. So nandun din po as Annex D, nag-iisang Excel, yung ating EIPCRF tool. Okay, so ang gagawin po natin, ida-download po natin ang tool na iyan. So let me show you the folder po no, where we can access po our tools. Okay, so ito po ang ating folder. So nakikita nyo po, no? Okay naman po, clear naman po sa screen natin. So kung na-click nyo na po yung link na binigay kanina ni Ma'am Cecil, and nandun din po ito sa ating DM 17 series of 2025, ito po ang makikita nyong content no ng ating folder. So nandiyan po lahat ng mga tools na kailangan natin, and andito po ang ating EIPCRF. Okay, that's Annex D. Ang gagawin po natin is i-download po natin ang tool. Okay, reminder po, hindi po natin bubuksan ang tool dito mismo sa ating website or sa ating sa online, no? Hindi natin siya i-open sa browser natin. Hindi po natin yan siya ma-edit at hindi po yan gagana. So we have to download the file. Okay, one newly downloaded file per teacher. Okay, per teacher po. So kung ako po ay si teacher 1, kailangan po may sarili akong downloaded file na wala pong input ng kahit kanino po mga kasamahan kong guro. Okay, ngayon pag na-download ko na po ang file, akin lang po iyon. Hindi po pwedeng ika-copy paste po iyon ng mga kasamahan kong guro. Okay po, so kada teacher po ay ida-download po itong file na ito. Now, to access po this folder, okay, kailangan po natin gamitin ang ating DepEd email account. So, ano po yung itsura nitong ating DepEd email account? Okay, lahat po tayo sa DepEd as employees, meron po tayong DepEd email account, our name, our last name, and then it has the domain at deped.gov.ph. Okay, kapag ginamit po natin yung mga personal email natin na may at gmail.com, at yahoo.com, hindi po natin ma-access itong folder po na ito. Okay, so DepEd email po to access the tool. Now, once po na-download na natin ang file, itong Excel, bubuksan na po natin yan at ito po yung ating makikita. Eh, familiar po para sa iba, no? But we have additional features lang po since for this school year, as mentioned by Ma'am Cecil, we have two options for the classroom observation. So meron tayong dagdag na feature po dito sa ating tool.